Hi, my name is Aaron Pickett. I'm the head of the Youth Services Department here at the East Brunswick Public Library. We're glad you chose to check out one of our Osmo kits. Now we have 3 different Osmo kits. We have an Osmo preschool kit and 2 Osmo kits for slightly older school-age kids. One that is a Osmo Arts kit, which has music and art, and a math and coding kit. Now, I'm going to show you what to expect if you check out one of these kits at home. Now, the Osmo kits may look a little different in how they're sort of housed and put together, but the essential components should be the same. Every Osmo kit that you check out has a few basic components that everything has. One is they have an iPad and a charger. Usually you'll need to take the iPad out of the case when you're using it with the Osmo. We just ask that when you're finished, put it back in the case so nothing goes wrong with the iPad. Then there's going to be a base that you stand the iPad up in. This is how it can sort of see the sort of game board in front of it. And then the 3 basic components, which are in all of our Osmo kits, are tangrams, where you make different sort of shapes with these basic shapes. You have words, which helps your kids work on sight words. And numbers, with both numbers and then the numbers of dots. So it's a great way to get kids both counting and also recognizing basic numbers. Now these are things you're going to find in every single Osmo kit. But depending on which Osmo kit, you may get some extra stuff as well. So if you choose the preschool kit, there's a few extra things you're going to find in it. First, you're going to see there's going to be a white silicone playboard that comes with this. There's a couple games with the Osmo preschool kit you need to use this with. So again, this is not a whiteboard, please don't write on it, but this is something that you can put the game pieces on. It'll help the iPad see it a little more easily. You're also going to find a few extra games. One is going to be the Detective Agency, which is a great seek and find game. So you're looking for different things in different maps of the world. So this is a really fun game. You're also going to find this storytelling game, which uses like paper doll-like figures. It's a really great interactive fun game. And also ABCs, which has little squiggles, and your child learns how to sort of make all the different shapes of both letters and sort of imaginative animals using these squiggle pieces. So those are the special components in the preschool kit. If your child chooses to check out the math and coding kit, which is probably best for kids school age, so kindergarten and up, they're going to get all the basic components, but they're also going to be getting a coding game. These are the coding pieces, so if you open it up, they stack on top of each other, and you basically sort of put these pieces in different orders to have your character do different things on the screen. And there's going to be the ever popular pizza game. So this is where you run a pizza shop, and after you make pizzas for your customers, you have to give them the right change back. You can customize this from having to give the right change in just single dollar bills all the way down to pennies. So it's a great game that can be more or less complex. So again, this is 2 levels. One has the top tray has the bills in it, the bottom tray has the pizza toppings. So that is going to be in the math and coding kit. And finally, if you check out our arts kit, it comes in this really big tub. That's because the whiteboard is very large. So it comes with a whiteboard that you can do, you can draw different, you can interact with different creative games. There's ways for you to practice drawing, or practice writing your letters and numbers. This comes with its own whiteboard and dry erase markers. If any of your dry erase markers are dry, let us know. We have tons of replacements. And it also comes with a music kit. The coding jam. So it's similar to the coding kit that comes with math and coding, except this, you're making different sort of music tracks with it. So that's what comes in the arts and music kit. So those are what comes with our Osmo kits. Again, these kits are great for kids, probably I'd say ages 3 and up. The preschool kit obviously for the younger kids, and then for school age kids, either the math and coding or the arts and music kit. We really hope you and your kid enjoy this playing around with the Osmos, discovering all the different things you can do with it. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at the Children's Department or check on the Osmo website. Have fun, enjoy playing. Please remember to put everything back in the right place, and please return to the library when you're done playing with it. Thanks so much. See you next time at the library. Bye.